So hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for being here. If it's your first time, karibu sana. If you're a continuous subscriber, karibu pia. So today I've got you another video, a very great video. So if you're looking forward to applying for HELB loan, I got you covered. So what you need to do is you need to head over to your browser. Then once you go to your browser, you're going to type in HELB loan. Once you type in the HELB loan, it's going to take you to this page. It's going to take you to a page, and it's going to take you to going to allow you to apply. So once you're here, this is what's higher education loan financial portal. So once you're here, there's this one, it will take you to the website. There's account login if you already have an account, user registration if it's the first timer. So you are going to either choose, you're going to apply as an applicant, employer, partner, or debt collector. Then there's an application guide. If you want to know how to apply, you're going to download this guide to help you. The documents, you're going to see where the documents are here, details, then the help checker. So now, because you're going to do the registration, this is where we're going to focus on. Once you open this page, you're going to apply, you're going to click on the applicant registration. Once you're here, it's going to bring you something like this. So you're going to put here your email and your password if you have an account. If you do not have an account, you're going to come here and you're going to register. Once you register, it's going to bring you to this page where they're going to send you a link for you to apply and create an account. Within 24 hours, if you don't click on that link, it's going to expire and you have to start all over again. If you start all over again, you go through the same thing that I've just told you. So now, this is the guide that I was telling you. If you download the guide, this is what it's going to look like. So once you download this guide, you're going to go through all of these questions and see if that's something that you need to do. So there's, if you apply December before 2022, are you eligible? Yes, you are eligible as long as your funding model is okay. So there are so many questions that you need to go through. I need to go through them too. So make sure you go through all these questions, you understand what it is that you're doing. So now I'll take you to my profile where I had created, but I couldn't finish it up because it has a lot of things that I need to make sure that I've created. So now it's going to bring you to this page, and here you're going to create your account. So now you're going to make sure that you apply for the account. You are to fill in all these details. So you can see we have 6 steps. We have step 1 up to step 6. So I had filled all these steps, but there's one problem that I have, and it's on the education system, which I need to upgrade before I can apply for the loan. For you, what you need to come and do is you're going to come to the personal information. Here is where you're going to fill in your name. You're going to fill in your names, your KRA pin, your number, your female you're going to fill in all your details, your number, your gender. You're going to say, are you a person with disability? Do you have any chronic diseases? Then you're going to fill in your permanent residency. You're going to fill in where you live before. Then you're going to fill in your picture here. You're going to put in your ID card right there. Then you're going to go to step 2, where step 2 you're going to fill in residency, primary residence, where you live right now. And then after that, you filled in the street, house number is not necessary. You look for this asterisk where it will help you to navigate through all this. Make sure that the one that has the star right here, you've answered it, because if you don't, it's going to tell you that it's not. You can see they have said it's mandatory. Then once you're done with step 2, you move on to step 3. This is your education background. You're going to put your primary school and your high school, the index number and where you are. And then there's the institution. You're going to share where you are right now. So you're going to add in the details. You're going to fill in the details from the mode of study. You're going to select your university from this one drop down menu. You're going to go up to anything that you have. Then once you found your school, you're going to click on it. Then you're going to put mode of study. Is it full-time, part-time, or online? Then you're going to select here one of the type. This one hasn't come for me because I don't know what's happening. Then you're going to put in your admission number or registration number. Then the year of admission, the year that you were admitted, you're going to put this. duration, year of completion, are you in third year, first year, fourth year, or annual program. You're going to put here the amount that you're going to pay annually, and then here is you're going to say how much can your family afford. If your family cannot afford, you don't put anything, but if you're like, you have to put at least a figure. You can say maybe you can afford to get 5,000 or not. So here is where you're going to fill it. Then here you're going to fill in the amount of money that you want from the this company. Once you're done, you save and continue. Then the third thing, the fifth part is your parents. You're going to come here, you're going to fill the type of family that you come from. So are you raised by a single mother, both parents alive, raised by a single dad, deceased? I was raised in a children's home. Parents is deceased, one parent is deceased, or both are deceased. So you need to um check in. Once you're done, you'll put in continue. Then you're going to enter the details of your parents, add the father's details, mother's details. So you have to put like their name, the ID number, full names, pin number, tel number, employer, and action. So action here, okay, I didn't go through the details. Okay, let's go. So you're going to put here the type of ID, let's say Kenyan. Then you're going to put their name, their ID's copy, their name on the ID copy. Let's say their name is Kevin. Then you're going to choose either are they using Safaricom, Airtel, or Telcom. Then you're going to put in their phone number. Once you're done, you click on validate, right? Then the next thing is you're going to fill in your dad's that's what was your father, this is your mother's details. You're going to put the same thing also. You put in their ID card, where they're from, their number, their first name, mobile provider, and the number. Once you're done, click on validate and move on ahead. Okay, then the next thing is step 6, which is for you to complete your profile. Here you're going to put the institution. So this is the primary. Here you're going to just put the primary where you went to school for primary, the mode of study, the registration admission number, and everything. Once you're done, click on save and complete. So now once you're done and your profile is reading 100%, you can now go on ahead and apply for scholarship, or you can go on ahead and apply for loans. Or this one is a self-service where you're going to help yourself by doing that. You can look for a loan statement, compliance certificate. Do you have a penalty waiver, stop orders, clearance certificates, loan overpayment or repayment? So if you want to repay your loan, this is where you come. You come here, you put the institution name, school type, exam year, and the index number, and then you print the clearance certificate. If you've overpaid, you come here, you check where they'll give you the email where you'll send your information. Clearance certificate, if you want to get a certificate after you've paid your loan, you don't want to have any loan reading on your profile, you just come here and you get the certificate. If you want to stop an order, you come here, you can generate an employer deduction stoppage for HELB loans once you've completed your repayment, and then you can generate your stop order. Penalty waiver is a waiver where you are glad to offer the 80% waiver on outstanding penalty. So a waiver is where you had maybe a loan and you didn't pay it on time, or maybe you didn't pay it on the stipulated amount of time that they had given you. So what you need to do is you need to go and apply for a waiver, so they'll give you an 80% waiver for all the money that you took. Compliance certificate, this is where you come and get your certificate from here. You just come here, click on get certificate, and you're going to get it. All right, so you can just download it right here and it's gonna come. Okay, so we were still on self-service. There's loan statement. So if you want to know your statement, you just come here, loan statement, then you get your statement. They're going to tell you, okay, this is your name, this is your loan statement. So for me, you see, I don't have any loans so far. And then once you're done with that, this is the loans. Definitely, you see here, I do not have a loan, so I need to click here to apply. So if I want to apply for a loan, it's going to be just the same thing. I have to complete my profile before I can apply for the loan. Okay, now once this is my profile basically, so HELB scholarship, you're going to come here and look for postgraduate application. It's closing on 31st of August 2024. The academic year should be 2024-2025 most of the time. So scholarship, you're looking for postgraduate, you're going to do the same thing. You're going to open here, and then you're going to apply the same thing that we did. That's what you're going to do. Then there's funds appeal. Do you want to appeal undergraduate, this and that? So you come here, you check. If you're not employed, this is the category of people who are not employed. So you're going to come here 2024, 2025. The closing date is on December 30th, 2024. Okay. And then what else? So here is if you want help. Let's say you've been doing this and maybe something's not going through, or it takes too long for you to like just navigate through the website. You can just come here, contact them. There's their contact number here. You can just put in your query, fill in the form, your name, the subject, message, and then you submit. They'll be able to help you. The contact number is here also if you want to do that. And their working hours is from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Make sure you use that time. Don't go past 5, because remember, this is a government institution. They're not going to help you. And then there's an email here, and then there's their number there. All right, so if you want to check them out, they are at Hazina Center. You can go to, I saw it's 5th floor. Just go check on their website to be precise on that. If you have any questions, make sure that you understand. Make sure that you send them in the request in the comment section below, and I'll be able to answer you. And these are some of the Huduma centers. We have Nairobi, Machakos, Mombasa, Nakuru, Eldoret, Nakuru, Kisumu, Kakamega, Kisii, Nyeri, Embu, Kitui, Bungoma, Lodwar, Meru, Thika, Kitale, Kericho, Nandi, Murang'a, Garissa, Narok, Migori, Chuka, Kilifi, Taita Taveta, and West Pokot, Bomet. So make sure you go check them out. So if you want to look for your messages are going to pop up here. We have sent, the inbox will be here. The sent, drafts, start, messages, trash, they'll be here. They'll be all here. You can compose from here if you want to create a message. So you see, like the one message that I have is the one that they were telling me, thank you so much for registering on our platform. So that's how you navigate. Notifications, they'll be here, so you can see your personal profile. It will show you after you're done. These are the messages, and then this is the profile. This is how you can edit your profile, messages, notification, and then here is where you log out. So without saying so much, thank you so much for being here, and I hope this information has helped you. Please, if you found this information very helpful, share it with some of the people that need it. And if you have any questions, please feel free to comment in the comment section down below. And do not forget to subscribe to this channel, because I have a lot of information that I'll be sharing with you. Without saying so much, check out my other videos, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.